Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on crypto payment solutions with BitPay, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on crypto payment solutions with BitPay, start by understanding what BitPay is. BitPay is a cryptocurrency payment processor that enables businesses to accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Visit the BitPay website to create an account. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information such as your email address and a secure password. Verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is created, log in to the BitPay dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available options. To start using BitPay, navigate to the Settings section. Link your bank account to your BitPay account for easy withdrawals. Next, consider the benefits of using BitPay's payment solutions. Evaluate the transaction fees associated with traditional payment methods. Compare these fees to BitPay's competitive rates for accepting crypto payments. Explore the option to offer discounts to customers who pay with cryptocurrency. This can drive more traffic to your business while saving on payment processing fees. In the Payment Buttons section, create custom payment buttons for your product or service. Choose the style and amount of the payment button that suits your business needs. After creation, integrate the payment button into your website or online store. This allows customers to pay directly using Bitcoin or other supported cryptocurrencies. Monitor your transactions in the dashboard for real-time insights. Regularly check the exchange rates to optimize your conversion strategy. Consider using BitPay's invoicing feature for seamless billing processes. Setting up invoices can streamline your business operations significantly. When setting an invoice, by offering multiple cryptocurrency payment options, you can cater to a wider audience. Evaluate your payment history to identify trends and customer preferences. Stay updated on the latest news and changes in cryptocurrency markets. As BitPay evolves, keep an eye on new features and integrations that could benefit your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.